We'll say, yeah, we can start feeding them. Oh, look at that. We get to wipe it down as well. What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new first timers video. I'm Alvin, your host for today's baby edition video. Now, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Ingenuity Baby Base 2-in-1. The Ingenuity Baby Base 2-in-1 grows with your baby from infant to toddler. That's pretty much 6 months to 4 years old. The booster seat secures safely to pretty much any seat or chair, and has a 3-point harness to keep the baby safe. It is dishwasher safe and also can conveniently store its food tray under the seat. It can be used on the floor by itself and is promising comfortable support for young infants, which is made out of a soft foam that can be wiped clean easily. Now, before we jump into the unboxing, I just want to make sure that if you guys find this information useful, please press that like button. And if you want more great information in the future, press that subscribe button. New baby edition videos launched every Wednesday. Now, it looks like the Ingenuity Baby Base 2-in-1 is going to be pretty simple to unbox. And it is promising a quick and easy assembly. Now let's jump into the unboxing. Alright, so as we get started here, you're going to notice that they were actually very good with labeling everything on their box. They actually showcase everything on there, as well as the years to the colors that you can get it in, and then the foam. So I'm actually pretty excited that somebody took a lot of their time on this actual package. Even on the top, they even tell you how to set everything up, which is pretty cool. So I'm very excited. So you do have to cut the edge of the box with your nails or a knife. I was able to do it with my nails just because it was actually very thin tape, so it was actually very simple. Now, as we get to the point of just like pulling it out, like I said, the only thing that would probably concern me is this, if it were shipped in this box, then I would probably worry about damage. But since it did come from Amazon, it's packaged within a box, so I'm okay with that. You can definitely feel how nice this foam is here as well. It's like the solid foam, but it actually is still kind of squishy in its own way, so it's actually pretty cool. The only thing I can think of is like, think when you were kids and they started to foam things, it has that style foam, but it's still softer than that. So that's actually pretty cool. Now, as we pick it up, we actually notice that there's instructions, so that's actually pretty cool. We'll take a look at them right now. So overall, it looks like they have advertisements on the back of the booklet. And then we have the instructions. So let's actually take a look at them here. Now, okay, so I got important, and importante, and important again, and another importante, and importante. Okay, never mind. We're gonna just toss those. And looks like you have your warranty card, as well as another pair of straps that are actually located on the back strap here. So that's actually pretty cool. Now let's see if I can, actually look at this. It has like a little door. That's actually pretty cool. Let's see, this does not come out, so maybe let's flip it back over. Actually, the wheels feel actually pretty, not the wheels, but the bottom, the rubber actually feel very nice and sticky, so it actually feels like it wants to actually grip very well. So I can only imagine if you have a wood seat, that these will just like grip on it extremely well. So again, if you're going to probably be using the your padding on your seat, I would definitely take it off and just go straight to the wood, because it actually feels very, very, very nice. All right, so actually, here we go. We're able to pull out the actual tray itself. Now, do these rotate down? It doesn't look like it, so it looks like they're just like kind of like push in, maybe. So I know a lot of people might want to just stick it to the top of the actual seat itself. So right now, it doesn't look like they rotate or do anything except just slide into another piece, but we'll slide it in here just in case if someone accidentally slides it in, it actually comes right out, so you don't have to worry about it like locking in or anything like that. So it's actually good to know. So now you need to get this, look at it, now it pops out, so it's actually pretty easy to get to now, just because the actual tray is not in there. So you do have to pull the tray out to get the back out. So that's actually pretty cool, very simple. So if you need to store it, travel with it, it actually is very compact. So once you kind of know how to do that, that's actually pretty cool. So like I said, this is my first time ever opening up one of these guys. So I'm actually very excited here. It does look like it's going to lock in. I'm pretty sure my little guy is going to love this seat. So literally it just clips in. All you have to do is just push down and you can start hearing them clip in. Now it does look like the foam kind of holds it a little bit. So we'll try to move the foam out of the way beforehand. So let's see if we can actually do that here really fast. So I'm going to try to peel the foam up.
and then you can kind of see it push down. So now we got to peel it up again on this side, and then once that's there, it should slide right down. So it's actually pretty good, pretty nice. I like it. And then this makes sense, slides right in and locks in. Look at that. Baby has his own booster seat. It's already done. That's amazing. It's easy how easy everything comes off. Those are push bars, so you could literally just slide it in, and to get it out, just push on them and they slide right out. So it's actually pretty cool, very exciting. Nice little cup holder for a bottle. Food obviously on the tray. Yeah, this is actually very exciting. I'm actually pretty stoked. Slides right into the base there. Boom and boom. Look at that. I'm liking this guy. It's actually very lightweight. It actually feels very strong. I feel like I can sit on it. This little storage on the bottom, I still don't know what it's for, but we'll figure that out. Maybe for the straps, actually. I didn't even think about that. Since it does have the strap that goes on the sides here, I'm pretty sure the strap will probably be the piece that will go into that little holder there. So I'll cut it off here with some scissors. So as I'm cutting it here, just keep in mind that like I said, this particular strap, I'm assuming it's gonna go for underneath the seat, so it's gonna strap from one side to the other, and it looks like it has a very soft feeling instruction on that side as well. So pretty much all I have to do is just lock it right onto the side. So very simple. Bring the chair back so you can kind of see where I'm talking about. So you'll see that there's like this little open notch here on the side. All you have to do is just push it down, and then it goes right under the chair, and then you would sit there and push the other side down, and now you can actually sit there and tighten it with the little buckle that's on the side, on the right side of your screen here. So literally just slide the buckle over, and then you'll be able to actually tighten it down. So it's actually pretty cool. This is actually very simple, like it, very easy to come apart. Obviously I probably wouldn't put these in the dryer, so you can probably wash them, but I wouldn't dry them just because of the plastic. Anyway, let's jump back into the other video here. I'm glad you guys got to see it in action. That was kind of my biggest thing. Like I said, he is only 4 months old, so he probably won't get too much use out of it just yet. But you know, hopefully the doctor will say, hey, we can start feeding him. Oh, look at that. We get to wipe it down as well. And I'm glad you guys were able to kind of see how it's set up on the chair. I know right now he's on the table. I can't really walk away from him too much just because obviously we have him on the table, so I don't want him to go anywhere. So I'm here holding on to him, making sure he's not going anywhere. But he's pretty solid. I'm pretty happy with how he's sitting in there. But anyway, guys, if you guys like this video, definitely hit that like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of these great videos, as well as our Instagram and Facebook are in the description. So go check us out there as well. And as a reminder, don't forget our Baby Edition videos launch on Wednesdays. Anyway, guys, see you later. Have fun, YouTube. Stay safe. Say bye. Say bye. No, you don't want to say bye? He's like, I want to stay on camera longer. Anyway, guys, see you later. Woo!